guys, Scott back here with another video. Do you guys own an EG or an EK and you have this problem where it folds, buckles? Let me get a better camera angle for you. Well, be putting lift supports on the hood, maybe keep it from doing that. So far, you're going to need your two new lift supports. You're going to undo this 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt right here, the one right before the strut tower. So, showing you just the only tool you'll need is just a 10mm. Bye. Hang on. Alright, so I did tighten that one up all the way. I'm gonna go start on this side. Doing clearance, so what I'm gonna do is take the top down, see if it clears the hood. Okay, it does not, so now I gotta loosen them up, move them inward. I'm just going to cheat. I'm just going to move them all the way back as far as I can. Now that one's as far back as that one can go. I need y'all to get out of the way. Clearance time. Oh yeah, I don't need that. So I got one on. I swear they sent me the wrong kit because it doesn't sit right, and I don't know how else to get it to go right, you know? It's like right here, this ball's not on all the way. Is now, but then that's the right there. I have to like stretch it. I don't know if that's gonna cause an issue later on, but set that. Just lock it in place real quick. for watching. I appreciate you. We made it to 71 subscribers. I like to keep that going. Like I said, currently we just moved. This is Oasis pretty much. Way better than the old place. I'll start my new job this next week coming up. So I'd like to get more stuff out to you guys. I currently have a new set of taillights for the white one, the white Civic. That beast over there. That's a sick looking motherfucking car. Don't deny. Red one, still in progress. That one, different story, different video.